Gary Lineker was left fuming, "You absolute W**********, after Micah Richards was forced to sell one of him, Alan Shearer or Harry Kane. The former England striker was put up against pal and ex-Newcastle forward Shearer, as well as Bayern Munich star and Three Lions captain Kane.
The Hitmen are among the finest attackers to ever play for their country. Lineker scored 48 goals in 80 games for England between 1984 and 1992. While Shearer netted 30 times in 63 outings between 1992 and 2000. Kane boasts an even better record than his predecessors, hitting the target 62 times in 89 games following his debut in 2015.
Read more in FOOTBALLSON. Shine don't deserve him, say fans as they spot Sun gesture on pitch after Spurs win. Power up, get £40 in free football bet builder bets when you stake £10 with Paddy Power. And the superstars were pitted against each other on the latest episode of the Rest is Football podcast. Lineker and Shearer watched on as fellow presenter Micah Richards was forced to choose which of them he'd sell, which of them he'd sub, and which of them he'd buy.
Richards revealed that he'd sub Kane and buy Shearer, leaving Lineker in the unfortunate position of being the one he'd sell. But this sparked a hilarious retort from Lineker, who was not pleased with the outcome.
Most read in football: Arsenal 1-0 Porto, Pens 4-2. Gunners finally break last 16 curse after Raya penalty. Heroics: Arsenal 1 Porto 0. AGG 1-1, 4-2 on Pens. Raya the hero as he saves 2 pens in shootout. Talkings over Richards brutally snubs Keane and Neville as he names best pundit on TVGUNNER. Go crazy. Fans claim Arsenal robbed as goal disallowed for absolutely no reason. HOW to get free bets on horse racing. Richards said, "Because I've never seen Gaz play, we're selling Gaz." See you later. All those records you've broken, they're a distant memory, they're history.
Jermaine Genius reveals H has been practicing for Gary Lineker's MOTD job. Let's go to modern players. Kane, a bit more versatile, well-rounded, lovely striker. Lovely technique too, but I'm going to put him on the bench. Alan Shearer, the Geordie boys, were buying him. Shearer chimed in, "You know class when you see class." But Lineker rebuffed Richards by saying, "You absolute W***********. Richards responded, "You okay Gaz?" Lineker fired back with a vowel, "I'm not speaking to you. If you'd seen me play, you'd buy me."